This is how to make freeze frame clone trail effect to look like this. And first step is to copy this clip by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And now we have two same clips. Next step is to click on upper clip, and here near basic click on remove BG or background and click on auto removal. Now I'm gonna hide this clip so you will see what happened. This is how looks second clip. We just removed background and now we want to freeze parts of the upper clip. So for example, I want to freeze it here. Right click, edit and freeze. And I'm gonna place it above the clips. Next, delete what left. Again, grab this clip and freeze it on the next part. You can right click and freeze it, or you can just click here on freeze. And again, I'm gonna grab it, delete this one and grab clip with removed background. To make it easier, I'm gonna grab this and also this. And I want to freeze another position. I'm gonna freeze this one. Click on it, freeze it, grab it above the clips, extend it, delete this one, grab and extend this one. And I'm gonna freeze one more position here. Click on it, freeze it, grab it above the clips and frozen images and delete this. So the clip will look like this, and we are not finished yet. Click on freeze image and grab your timeline very slowly. And if the original clip hit the frozen image, split it by clicking Ctrl B and remove what left. And now repeat it on another frames. Click on second one, Ctrl B, delete this and next. Move the timeline, Ctrl B, delete, and the last one, grab it, Ctrl B and delete. And our final result looks like this. And that's it guys, hope it helps. It's very easy to make. Thanks for watching this tutorial and see you next time.